Hi everyone, I am Ronak and welcome to my channel Arc of Infinity. Your one-stop destination to learn SSC Math with ease and confidence. Here Arc of Infinity presents Masterstroke 5 SSC HCF LCM Challenge, which is specially designed for at most level of 5 questions, which are the most important. It's covered all the important formulas and all the things what you would. Let's start our session. Keep your pen and paper ready and take with the class. Let's go to the first page. You can see all the formulas are clearly visible in the screen. We start with the most basic and necessary formulas of this chapter. You can read all the formulas from here. Number 1, HCF multiply LCM is equal to the product of two numbers. Number 2, LCM of fraction is equal to LCM of numerator divided by HCF of denominators. Number 3, HCF of fractions is equal to HCF of numerators divided by LCM of denominators. Number 4, HCF of A comma B is equal to HCF of B comma M or B. Here M or B means the remainder when A divides by B. It is called as Euclidean algorithm. Next, moves towards the if number formula. LCM of multiple numbers is equal to highest powers of all prime factors. Number 7. We given HCF of two numbers, we can take one number as HCF into X and the other number is HCF into Y, where X, Y are co-prime. The number 8 is same as number 1. Let's move towards the next slide, where I provide you the highly important questions and their answer together. Now you have to pause the video with every question appears in front of you. And you have to read all the questions carefully and try to solve all the questions by yourself. Thank you for joining with me in the last. If you like the video, press the like button and don't forget to share and subscribe. Please subscribe the channel to engage with us in the upcoming videos.